Hello, this is my review of the LG 8000 BTU air conditioner. I recently purchased this to replace a 10,000 BTU unit of a different brand, and I am extremely grateful that I chose this air conditioner. Things I like about this air conditioner is it's quiet. It is on right now, and there's no rattling, there's no awkward motor noise, it's just the airflow. My old unit, we had to crank our TV up really loud to get over the sound of the air conditioner, and that is not the case with this one. It was extremely easy to install. It was about 12 screws to kind of get those side panels in, and it was in the window no problem. It is small. This one is smaller than my other unit, and my other unit I needed help to install because it's just the capability of lifting it. This one I did not. It is a smaller unit. It's easy to install. It fit my windows perfectly, and I have liked it so far. Just to show you, it does come with the remote. Like most air conditioners, it does have obviously your temp control to turn it up or down. This one can go it can go pretty low. It goes to 60. My other unit went to 64, so this one can get considerably cooler. It has your different modes. It has the energy efficient mode. It has a fan mode. It has a dry mode, so almost like a dehumidifier mode. It's kind of turning to that now. I'll turn it back to the energy efficient mode. It has timer if you want to time it to be on only a couple hours when you're gone. So I do like that as well. I live in Wisconsin, and lately it has been hot here. I know, Wisconsin, who knew? It's been about in the 90s recently with high humidity. When we come home, we turn this on. Within an hour, it can cool the entire first floor of my house down. So this was shocking when I recently turned it on, and I came home, came in my back door there, and I came into an extremely cool house. I did not expect it to do so well. So this actually has outperformed my 10,000 BTU unit of a different brand, which I was shocked. So I love this unit. It cools, it's small, it's easy to install, and it is quiet. So I'm a huge fan. Highly, highly recommend this air conditioner.